Hi guys, my name is Rizwan Ahmed. I'm a private investigator based in Virginia. I was going over this video, so thought you guys should check out too. A lot of things happened in this video, and let's go ahead and figure it out. What was up? So here's the video. Let's see.
I don't need an ID. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
they asked you to leave and you didn't leave, okay? So you're going to have to give me your ID. I'll write you a trespass warning and send you on your way. Then what's your first name?
John.
Jonathan or just John?
Just John.
And what's your middle name, John?
Any middle name. He's just his husband. There's only one of me.
No. Okay. So they asked you to leave.
Okay, so I'll leave.
But you didn't.
Yeah,
and then we're here.
Do anything. I just want
we're here, so now you're committing trespassing. So I'm gonna write you a trespass warning.
Well, actually, it's not trespassing.
Hey, listen.
You're about to go to jail.
You're about, yeah.
That's illegal.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
You asked to leave, you didn't leave. That's called trespass. Okay?
And they just asked you to leave. So I need your first name, last name, or date of birth.
John Thomas Manda.
So that's lower. M-A-N.
For a trespass and a man who's being peaceful.
M-A-N what?
Supervisor.
M-A-N what?
M-A-I-N-G.
Do you have a phone number or no?
I don't need to give you my phone number. That's not.
I'm asking if you do or not.
Yeah, I have a phone number.
You don't want to give it to me? That's fine.
Why would I give you a phone number?
Alright. So this time I'm going to have to write you a trespass warning, alright? They asked you to leave. You didn't leave.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay, can you write on your thing that they didn't give me my sandwich? I'm gonna assume.
Hey man, that's in Venice.
No, but if you write it down, then I can use it in my court case. I'm gonna go to court with them for a sandwich. I'm gonna put him on the stand. I'm gonna put him on the stand and waste his time.
You can't go anywhere. Stay right here.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
I already got trespassed.
No, you didn't.
What are you detaining for? What's your cause?
Because you already committed trespass. So you're gonna stand right here. You're gonna go to jail.
When you get trespassed.
He told you to leave and you didn't leave. That's called trespass.
That's not called trespass.
So you're gonna stay right there. You're gonna go to jail.
This is my mother's lawyer.
So this guy bought a sandwich at a Wawa, but I think it's a different location he bought it from. As the officer said, he got it in Venice, and he's at a different location right now and asking for the sandwich. And the employees are saying, "We don't have your order," and they have to call the police. And now this guy is getting charged. Warning for the trespass. But let's see what happens more.
You can do this.
I don't give a shit. You're gonna stay right here.
Yeah. You see that?
So he goes to order the sandwich in Venice, Wawa. They apparently were like, he paid for it. Their system went down. They got mad at him. They threw the sandwich away. Said, "Get out of here! I'll call the cops." So he's like, "Fine." So he comes to this Wawa demanding a sandwich. But he says it's corporation, so they have to give him a sandwich. That's the manager. He said that he asked him to leave, or I'm gonna call the cops. Call the cops. We got
you guys don't want to get my sandwich.
So we're gonna trespass warning and send him on his way.
So they told him numerous times to leave, and he.
So on a personal note, when there's a corporation and they have different franchises, and I used to work for one franchise, so they have different owners, so they're not abide by the corporation that they have. So every franchise has independent owners, independent managers, and they're not interconnected with one another. So it's a different ball game in that sense. Like you cannot go to a different location and just to get the same order because they're not getting paid for that order, and the other location is, and their banks are not the same. So that's just my side.
Refused to leave?
Yeah, we could take him now.
That's what I would do. You still give him a trespass, and he can't just do whatever he wants to do. Business asked him to leave numerous times. He refused to leave.
And we got here. He was standing here, so.
He's admitted to not leaving until you guys get here. No, that's not how it works.
All right.
Hey, what am I waiting for? I'm gonna call my lawyer.
You what?
I'm gonna call my lawyer.
Okay, you can call your lawyer all you want. Okay?
No, but if you already trespassed me, you have to go then. That's how this works.
That's not how
the
it
law.
works. Okay, when you know the law, then you can speak the law.
My mother's an attorney.
So you're not an attorney though, right?
I know what her bonus was.
Okay.
1.5 million.
Let's go. Yep.
50?
Yes.
That's 15.
So you're going to jail?
Why?
Why? Trespass after warning.
I just said
Someone
I'd
asked you to leave numerous times. You refused to
I'm
leave.
going to jail?
Yep.
So this guy is so young. He might be 18, 19 years old, and he's just getting trespassed, and then it's going to be in his record. He's going to be arrested in the jail, and he's gonna have basically a record, which is bad living in USA because every job, everything can pull up your history and then it will show up there. So people really tend not to hire or like give work to the people who have a record. So just keep that in mind. Like these later incidents could cause you big problems in the future. And I personally have multiple friends who end up getting not a job because of just the bad history they have with the cops and all those stuff. So keep that in mind.
Kidding? I didn't do
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, you didn't leave when they. If you'd have left when they
Okay,
told
well, I
you to
have a
leave,
bike here. Can you make sure it gets to my house?
I'm not going to get to your house and put it on our property unless you want to call your parents to have them come pick it up.
Can they pick me up? Why am I going to jail? I don't get it. I said
Because
I'd
you
leave.
did not leave when the store asked you to leave numerous times.
No, I said I was waiting for you. I went outside and
You
waited.
can't. That's not how it
I
works.
went in the parking lot. I was waiting for you
told
to
you
show
to leave.
up. I wanted to explain the situation.
They told you to leave.
But I waited for you, sir.
No, they told
Listen,
you
if
to leave.
you want to handle this, we can handle
You
this.
could have waited on
No,
the
we're
side.
handling it. Don't worry about it.
What do you mean handling?
Give him a chance to give a statement too, there, King. Who was it that told him to leave numerous times? How many times did you tell him to leave?
3 or 4 times. I told him if he doesn't leave, I'm going to call the cops.
You just trouble on that one.
Alright, before I test that, what is that?
It doesn't have all of them like you. I'm gonna.
Okay, is that the original container?
It should be. Yeah.
So that was basically today's video to give a reminder that simple incidents can cause big troubles. Even a trespass ticket would end up costing you more in your lifespan because you end up not getting the job you deserve or not get a partner that you want. So let's hope that we learn from these mistakes and we are not doing those stuff. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with another video. Keep supporting this channel, and then we'll grow together.